Trying out new beauty gadgets will never get old. While I've tried out a lot of cool new technology, there's still more on the horizon and in my mailbox. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and the T3 SinglePass Curling Iron has landed in my mailbag. Last year I reviewed the T3 Twirl 360 Curling Iron, and I found it to be a well-rounded iron oozing with tech. Plus, the T3 Curl ID was equally fun and had some added smarts. But those extra smarts contribute to maybe a higher than average price tag. So I'm glad now to see T3 is offering a more cost-effective option. In this review, I'll try this curling iron out, see what it's like to use, how well it curls, and if I can recommend it for you. And really heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and consider becoming a subscriber. Both those things do help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there can watch, enjoy, and learn from. I really like T3's form factor, and the white and gold color is perpetually chic. The T3 SinglePass Curling Iron keeps up minimalist appearances where the temperature control just blends in with the design. The entire body from barrel to handle has no buttons or switches, and maybe worth pointing out, this is a curling iron, so it does have a handle or tong for the clip, which lets you hold your hair in the iron without risk of burning your fingers, as many of us have done with curling wands. Once you plug the curling iron in, you'll immediately see one of the 5 temperature light indicators near the base blinking. That should stop after a few seconds, which means the iron is ready to use. Between the light array and the start of the power cord is a small notch allowing you to twist the base to cycle through the temperature settings, and you can get from 260 Fahrenheit or 127 Celsius up to 410 Fahrenheit or 210 Celsius using 5 different steps, and that is reflected in those 5 LED lights. T3's user manual recommends the 2 lowest temperatures if you have damaged, fine, or chemically treated hair. Twisting and holding the knob for a couple of seconds will switch the iron off, and it'll remember the last setting next time you turn it on. The T3 SinglePass Curling Iron comes with a pair of technologies that separate it from the bulk of the under $100 clip curling irons. Within this device is a special microchip responsible for maintaining the 5 different heat settings and preventing these set temperatures from fluctuating. That heating technology works in tandem with the iron's glossy ceramic barrel, which T3 calls Ceragloss. The Ceragloss coating helps your hair slip smoothly on and off the barrel, and I can say that in my time with it, it definitely works as advertised. Unlike some irons or multi-stylers that come in a kit with different size barrels, here you are limited to one size of curl. I chose the 1 1/4 inch size because I find it to be pretty versatile. I can leave the curls as they are for a more ringlet style look or brush them out for beachy waves. The single pass, as the name suggests, should give you a solid curl in a single pass. I did find this to be true, but I'm not sure that's necessarily because of any special tech that T3 has in here. For the most part, if you choose the right temperature for your hair type, you should be able to get a curl with any iron or wand by curling it once only. You might need multiple passes on cheaper irons without any temperature adjustability. So the single pass iron is indeed a single pass, but that's really par for the curling iron course here. I used the T3 SinglePass to create my curls for today's video, and I used it also as part of my regular hair routine. The iron is easy to use, it clips very securely, and the curls release easily with no pulling. Plus, I found the curls felt like they had good hold when I used my preferred setting, which was number 4 out of 5. I found I got strong curls I could leave kind of piecey or brush out for a softer look, and even if I brushed them out a bit, they still had good hold. All around, I was really happy with the results from this curling iron. The 1 1/4 inch model I'm reviewing here feels exceptionally light, and the 8-foot power cord was easy to work with. T3 designed the 63-watt single-pass curling iron to be travel-friendly too, supporting both 110 and 220 or 240 voltages. The top of the unit features a handy cool touch tip as well, which doubles as a stand. If you forget to unplug it after an hour, it will automatically shut off. Overall, I found this iron gave me smooth, glossy curls, and it was easy to use. I like the design, and it heats up really fast. It's actually neat to go back to an iron after using many of T3's curling wands, which are great, by the way, and there's something to be said for only needing one hand to hold your curls until they set when you're using an iron. In short, if you're looking for a simple, more cost-effective curling iron, but one that is still going to be highly effective, I can definitely recommend the T3 SinglePass Curling Iron. It performs exactly as promised. It sells for about $169 US, and you can get it from T3 or from Amazon. Don't forget to check out my other T3 reviews or see what Shark is up to in its quest to conquer Dyson right now.